What's up guys, Rift here, and it looks like it's about time for my new rig update. So the first thing we're going to start off with are the versions. You can see right here, you got the 4 versions of the rig. We got the sharp edges, sharp bends, sharp edges, smooth bends, and so on. You get the idea. And the one that I'm going to be showing off for you today is the sharp edges, smooth bend, which is right here. I know, it's pretty sexy. So I guess I'll show off the feet first because I like feet. So we got the feet here, and it works like any normal feet, except we got some leg stretching going on that I've added onto it. And unlike most rigs, they use the same way that Anus uses for his feet. But for here we got the the foot will always stay with the same rotation as the poles or goal, so makes animation easier in my opinion. So I made it that way. We got the control, the main control for the body. And you can see right here, the bottom of the body moves with the legs, sort of, which is overall nicer to look. I don't think anybody else has that in the rig. It also rotates with it, sort of. So if I see it on your rig, you're a thief. Just kidding, people probably have it already. I'm not calling anybody out. Shut up. So now we got the hump action here. I don't really see anybody have this version on their, or this feature on their rig, so I decided to add it because humping's fun. So here we go, we got the booty action, I guess is what you call it. So let's get a little pose. And let's move on to the upper body. So we got the head, or no, let's go to the arms. The arms, I do not, sadly, I don't have any wrists on them or fingers. Not because I'm lazy, it's because I think fingers are ugly, and so are wrists. They're both ugly. I might as well just kept the Minecrafty look of not even having any wrist. So yeah, there's my opinion. You're gonna have to suffer from it. So we go on to the face. The face, actually, the whole rig is identical to my private rig, except for the mouth. The mouth is just a different shape, and that's it. But so yeah, the controllers, I'm using these controllers instead of the user data ones because the user data had stupid keyframing issues, and you can never tell what the keyframes were from the mouth and the eyes and the pupils. So I just went ahead with these. My friend Anus showed me them, so he gets all credit. Not really. So yeah, we got the teeth, bottom teeth, top teeth, mouth movement, and then these little 4 thingies are for the eyes. So we got the bottom 2, which are moved for the bottom, like cheek action, I guess. Got some cheek action. They go down. Don't know why I just made that feature. And then these are for the top of the eyes. Up, down, up. Yep. There we go. And then we got the pupils. I don't really need to explain these. These are for, I don't know. These are, sorry, my blank. These are normal, nothing special. And we got this little thing right here. You click on it and you can't move it, but it is a control. You have to rotate it, and rotating will squash and stretch the head. So yeah. I don't know if anybody else has the little rotating squash thingy, but let's move on to the eyebrows. The eyebrows you can move up and down right here, and then you move left to rotate them. So that's how they work. And the outer selectors for the eyebrows, they move the inside, and this moves the inner part of it. So, and this on the same side. And so those are the main controllers, I guess. And now, oh yeah, the eyes. For blinking wise, you're gonna have to use these. You could also make it where it's sad. I don't know, I just found these much better than doing a manual, so that's what I did. Alright, so let's go to the customization. There's a short load of customization, so get your little butt tight. So let's start off with the eyebrows. Left eyebrow, right eye, left eye, mouth. Manual controllers, in case you don't want to see them. Don't know why I won, because they're ugly, but yeah. And the rig has default 3 pupils. You got the, let's go start with pupil 1, which is a shiny pupil, roundish on the outsides, you know what I mean. You got the default, which I usually use, and then you got the 2 top pupil, I don't know. So yeah. And of course you can change all the colors for them, and right here you can change the teeth. So yeah, I got all the color changing, you got all the, let's go with the eyebrows, I guess. These are the positions. These, you can move these for like where you want to put the eye. If you want to select all these and then move it over. Oh Jesus! Oh! Oh, I didn't move it right. Okay. Okay. Alright. Don't recommend this. Okay, maybe this will work. I'm gonna try it now. Oh god. Okay. If you want to move them, don't know why I would just fuck it up, but so we got to move the eyebrows along, and then you can edit these and it'll still be the same. So yeah. Oh, here we go. Alright. Then we got the eyebrow size X. Just scales it on the X axis, Y axis, and the Z axis. So right now they're pretty thin, but you can make them thick. Oh, thick man, you need thick eyebrows. Of course, but if you want unibrows, you'd have to take off the eyebrow visual thingy and turn brows on. Then it will take out the selectors and replace them with these. And then you got this, which is moving them up and down. You got the middle one. Got the outer and outer. So yeah, that's the facial part of the rig. And I guess the last thing that I guess I need to show you would be the visual selector. So yeah. Oh, let's start off with, let's show you the IK. I honestly hate FK on the arm, so I go with IK. And the IK controllers you can use right here. So yeah, these are where the IK controllers are. And these are the FK controllers, but you'd have to just turn them back on so you can use them. So yeah, and there's nothing special about this. This is just normal, I guess. Normal visual selector, normal rig, okay. What else? Let's see here. Oh, well, I got the head texture, the body texture, arm texture, leg texture, all whatever. You can customize them. Don't really know what. But the body texture is custom, And so this is what it will look like. It is 64 by 64 pixels. And right, this part of the rig showcase, I'm going to show you how to take a regular Minecraft skin and put it into this skin, or this skin layout. Oh, shoot. And this skin layout is like that, or is like this because you can have different textures on different arms. So like this is the right arm, and the right arm will, you could like say have a different texture. So that will look different than this one. And same with the legs. And the head, just the outer texture will be right here, and the there's no really different body, so yeah. So what you're going to want to do is this is my rig, this is my skin. I'm going to show you how I change it to it. So I'm in Photoshop, by the way. You don't know. I don't know how you would know. Control C, copy the leg, and then paste it. And since right here, this is the right leg, and just hit Control V again, and this is the left leg. You won't have to flip them at all because it flips it for you in my rig. And then you just go ahead and you copy the arms for the same thing. You drag it over, and you drag this one over. And for the body, it's the same thing. Oh, and the template will be in a zip file for whenever you download the rig. Either you buy it or you get it from the previous version. Whatever. So yeah, and then if you want to, you can just merge all layers, or no, just merge these layers. And there you go, you got your changed rig to it. Boom. So I'm guessing that this is all of my rig that I want to show you. Don't really know what else to show. Oh, okay, I guess I'll show you this. Whew. Got the left arm, right arm object. So if you want to see, let's say you want to get a sphere, I'm going to put it in your right arm, and then it's parented. Boom. No need to dig into the rig to get it. You want to put spheres in your rig. There you go. Got a rig. And the poles. Don't let me forget the poles. There are no poles. You just rotate the things. So yeah, I know, pretty simple. I'm amazing. Thanks. Give me your money. So yeah, this is my rig, and buy it if you want. So yeah. Goodbye.